Hello, welcome to EleMar Oregon's video blog. Today we're going to do a little science experiment with some stone here. We have some quartzite, marble, granite, and another type of quartzite, and we are going to see how these different types of stones react differently to certain products, such as ketchup. Okay, here we go. So now we're going to find out how each of these react to ketchup. Okay, so it's been about 15-20 minutes, about the length of time that most families would take to eat a dinner, that something like this might be sitting on a countertop before it's cleaned up. Now remember that these stones haven't been sealed, so they're going to react more so than they would if they had been sealed. So as you can see, it doesn't look like any of these took on any type of stain. The granite, I don't see any mark at all. The marble, I can see definitely an etch mark on it. The mint green quartzite, I don't see any mark or any stain at all. The moonlight, I can see a little bit of etching, not as dramatic as the marble. So now we're looking at the reflection of the light in the polish of the marble. And this is where the acids in the tomato base of that ketchup reacted with the calcium in the marble. So now we're looking at our granite sample, and we can see with the light reflecting on the polish of this that it certainly didn't etch or stain. So there was no effect even though it's unsealed. This particular quartzite, the mint green quartzite, did not seem to react with the ketchup. Looking at the polish, I don't see any etching and I don't see any darkening where there would be a stain from it. The moonlight quartzite did react a tiny bit with the ketchup. You can see a very faint dull spot where it looks a little bit darker and the polish is slightly duller. So the moral of the story is that different types of stone react differently to different types of products. Even the same kind of stone, like the two different types of quartzite, had a different reaction to the ketchup. So it's important to remember the properties of the stone that you pick out and how it might affect their durability to a product like ketchup.